Yet another good morning. One of the rare sunny days in July. Yesterday was very cold. Today the weather is a bit better. Clear skies. Hopefully it stays like that the rest of the day, but only just. Hopefully. So today I'm leaving for some, what do you call it, a small conference or something along Mombasa Road. So as an attendee, I don't have to be there exactly on time. So it was to start 8:30, so I'll be late by like 1 hour. But I think also they should be late by 30 minutes to start. Let me add some bit of fuel here. Then proceed. Bari? Huh? Neke atau? So 1,000 is like now 5.52 liters. 5.52 liters for 1,000 bob. This guy placing his foot on the ground, breaking into the helmet, breaking into the shoes, breaking into the gloves. Oh my god, it's a lot. We'll have done it one gear at a time. But I think now today my mind has now adjusted to the boots, and also I'm slowly also getting used to the helmet. I thought my cheeks were so squished I had to ask maybe if I bought a tight helmet, but it's getting more flexible, more free. And then I also read online that it's part of the break-in, so you should feel that in the initial few rides before it gets comfortable. Yeah, even changing gears, but I had to adjust my lever. It was almost facing down, the gear lever. I think so I had to adjust it to be near level, or gear shift today is very smooth, unlike the first day I got the boots, and also yesterday. So it's really nice. What's that piece? Is this from a vehicle? The road has also been expanded here in Ongata, Rongai, from to trench, or what do you call that? No paths for walkway, no cycling lane. Concentration is the game. My lights. Oh, there's traffic ahead. Why? But this time, morning traffic. Now it's there. There's nobody here. At last he has stopped traffic. This police guy, very unserious. Oh, he has not stopped traffic. FJ Cruiser Toyota. Mtu mmoja tu. Unasikia hapa? Unasikia hapa? Eh? Oh, sasa basi acha tuende tuzunguke. Mimi nazunguka hivi, naenda hivi. Haya. Sawa. So today is gonna be a bright day, sunny day.